Check out this 2017 Chevrolet Trax LS all-wheel drive SUV, one owner. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Introducing our 2017 Chevrolet Trax LS one owner in stunning white. Powered by an Ecotec 1.4L turbo i4 engine, this beauty boasts 138 HP and 148 Ft. Pounds of torque. The interior is jet black and in excellent overall condition. This Trax LS comes with factory default features including a rear-view camera, 7-inch touchscreen display, 6-speaker audio system, and 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. With an impressive 24 mpg in the city and 30 on the highway, you can enjoy a smooth and efficient ride wherever you go. Come check out this amazing Trax LS today and take it for a spin. $11,995. J&amp Auto Sales. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana 59601. 406-442-2931. In-house financing available. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.